Rwanda as a country is transitioning from agriculture-based economy to a knowledge-based economy.
The future is now more technological than before.
Nitwa David, niga mu mwaka wa gatatu kuri GS Muhe. Iwacu mu rugo turi umuryango w'abantu batandatu, papa na mama n'abana 4. Mbere yaho iyi project araza ntabwo nari nzi gukoresha computer, ntabwo namenya no kuyatsa. Narayumva nkumva nshaka kuyikoresha muri nge bindimo ariko ntayibona ngo nyikoreshe.
At the time when I come here, the school does not have computers, and of course the internet was not there. So as a teacher of ICT, it was not easy to teach ICT theoretically only.
We have faced a significant challenge due to poor internet connectivity. Teachers were frustrated, students were always on the move in search of internet access. It had not only disrupted our learning environment, but also it led to poorer grades.
The government counts on education to transform the economy. We need to make sure the education sector is strengthened so that it can be an enabler to that transformation we are looking for as a country. Smart Education Project, it's one of the government initiatives to ensure we can have quality internet in our schools, plus the research centers.
The Smart Education Project, launched in November 2022, is transforming Rwanda's education sector by connecting 1,500 schools.
For Smart Education, we have quite a big scale. The first layer is a dedicated data center to ensure the network is reliable and resilient. Second layer, we have the backbone that provides the transport of the data that will be generated from the schools. For every school, we have enrolled 4 access points. Initially, the internet connection was only possible in the urban centers. But right now, we believe and trust with the happiness across the country in remote areas. Students are able to connect to the internet.
Now we have a wide range of resources. Our students, because they use computers from a young age, they will be more successful in this world.
Ndifuza kuzamenya ikoranabuhanga ndetse nkaba naryigisha abandi abanyeshuri bakiri batoya ndetse n'abana nabazamura mu bumenyi bwabo bakaba nabo bamenya ikoranabuhanga ndetse na internet bakamenya gukoresha technology.
Now students are very happy. They are able to finish their work at time. Even teachers are making their classroom more interactive.
The Rwanda Smart Education Project has helped us collaborate in classes, in group works. Nowadays, I can make new and fun apps for each and every person out there and solve and tackle real-life problems.
Internet connectivity is helping me to search about where I can apply, where I can get a professional internship, which will help me after I graduate so that I can have something to engage in.
At the beginning, we were also very skeptical whether we'll be able to achieve this because it was so huge, considering connecting all parts of the country. I appreciate the work done by Huawei. From the beginning, they were so ambitious and very courageous to make sure we can achieve everything we have as a target.
It is a great honor to share Huawei's commitment to Rwanda's digital future through Smart Education Project. Beyond this project, Huawei will continue to invest in Rwanda's future through initiatives like ICT Competition, ICT Academy, and DigiTruck.